Cosmetics, how to pick the right colors and applications for you. Before you choose any cosmetics, you need to know which shades and tones are right for you. To find out what colors will blend in with your own skin tones, take a look at your skin color in a mirror, but take it into the direct sunlight. Do you see just a hint of blue or cool toning, or is there a hint of warm yellow? If you can't decide, it could be because your skin tone is actually neutral. Here's another way to tell. Hold up a piece of gold material next to your face, and then swap for a piece of silver material. Which does your skin look better with? If it was the gold, then your skin tones are warm. If silver looked best, then you have cool skin tones. If they both look fine, it could be that your skin tones are neutral. If you truly cannot decide, ask a friend for help. The three basic cosmetics are concealer, foundation, and powder. A concealer should be a shade lighter than your natural skin, so you can blend in any dark areas to look more natural. Some experts advise matching it with the color of your lower eyelid, as this is usually a little paler than your face. The liquid foundation should be as close to your natural color as possible. Once applied, you shouldn't be able to see it, but rather an improvement in the overall look of the skin quality. The powder should be the same as the foundation in color. If you have red spots, such as acne, use a spot neutralizer that would be used under the concealer. Eyeshadow is not always labeled for skin tones, so as a general rule, if you have warm tones, earth colors look best. Red, if you are a redhead, looks fabulous. Cooler skin tones need pinks, berries, and blue or gray. Neutral? Then try a combination of the two. Eyeliner and mascara colors will depend on your hair color. If you're in the light or light brown range, then brown or black is the choice, while the darker browns or black should choose black. Don't forget the lipstick, and it should tone with the eyeshadow, but can be a shade lighter or darker. If you just love shimmery eyeshadow and lipstick colors, go ahead and use them, but not both together. Shimmery lipstick should be teamed with plain eyeshadow, and vice versa. Fitness. Building a more beautiful you. Everyone wants to be more beautiful, and fitness is one way to accomplish this. If your tummy is bulging and your thighs are sagging, rather than go on a diet, it could be that you simply need to tone those muscles. But there's no need to rush out and buy the latest expensive exercise equipment. For starters, exercising on equipment at home is actually extremely boring. So unless you're really motivated, you won't keep it up. Why not try to get your exercise in a more fun way? Sure, you could join a local gym, but again, that's going to cost you money, and you need to remain motivated, or you'll find plenty of excuses to not attend. Make exercise fun. Buy a bicycle and join a bike club. Join a walking or horse riding club, or just go dancing. Dancing is one exercise that will build and tone many muscles while being great fun. Swimming is another way to shed kilos and tone up muscles. Winter is no excuse with so many indoor and heated pools springing up. If you live near the coast, you're lucky, as you can combine swimming with walking along the beach. A sport such as tennis will also make your exercise fun. Don't stop at one thing, though. Fill your days up with fun and exercise.